is my 15-watt monocrystalline solar panel with the infrared transmitter above it, and that's all mounted on that steel post. Now these two 20-watt panels give me 40 watts total. For some reason the battery wasn't charging, so I put those up and brought the voltage up from 12.39 to 12.5. And I've changed the charge controller again, and this is my very best PWM charge controller. That will do for the moment. And that is the Morse Code transmitter I used before. Different voltage reducer, but it'll work. And I can show you that. Okay, so that is working. The next stage was to put a transistor to power the LED lamp, but the problem was I was getting absolutely no sense, and I don't know why, but I went back to the Raspberry Pi forums, and I know that they're absolute nonsense, and they're full of idiots, and full of aggressive idiots. And again, I came across aggressive idiots that just, oh no, I don't want those people around me. I want to avoid them. So I went back to various other sites, and then I remembered I have a relay module for the Raspberry Pi. I've dug that out and I'm playing with that, trying to get that to work. That will apparently work off 5 volts, and there's a 3-volt rail and a 5-volt rail. So the 5-volt rail, 3-volt rail. So I'm pretty glad about that. And get that working, and then connect the LED to it, through it, LED lamp through it, and finally maybe transmit some Morse code. For the moment the battery just isn't taking much charge. I'm betting that that was the charge controller before, or it could just be that 15 watts, given the level of depletion and the grey skies, just isn't enough at the moment. I might try it with 70 or 80 watts, whatever the most I can muster is, and see what I can do. Anyway, that's the job for tomorrow, and I'll see you again. And this has been another talk from the British Tech Guru, and my name is Zaphod Beeblebrox.